Hello, future programmers or the current programmers. So, today the topic is currency converter. But before starting it, let me tell you a currency is a system of money in common use, especially for people in nation. For example, INR, Indian rupees, US dollar, and Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. So, today we will see and we will learn how to create a currency converter in Python. Okay, so let me just before running the code, let me just show you first to run the code and the output. I've run it by clicking this arrow, and this is the output we got. But before explaining you the output and the code, let me tell you what is Bitcoin and what is currency. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency and innovative payment network invented in 2008 by an unknown person or a group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto and started in 2009. And currency is basically a medium of exchange for goods and services. In short, it's money in the form of paper or coins, usually issued by a government and generally accepted at its face value as a method of payment. And if you want to know more, you can search on Google what is currency. Okay, so in this Python code for currency converter, we have to install one module named Forex-Python. Okay, this is the Forex-Python module which we have to install in this code. So what is this Python module? It is a free foreign exchange rates and currency conversion module. The features it has is it has a list of all currency rate, Bitcoin prices for all currencies. Um Converting it can convert the amount to bitcoins. It can get historical rates for any day since 1999. It has conversion rate for one currency, for example USD to INR. It can convert amount from one currency to another, for example USD to INR. It has currency symbols, currency names, and so on. And if you want to know more, you can search on Google Forex Python module documentation, and you will learn more about it. Okay, so now let's see the code. After installing this Forex Python module, pip install Forex Python. Then we have to import it from Forex Python dot converter. We have imported the necessary module. Then what we are doing, we are creating an instance of currency codes. So I am naming it as test1. Then once we are done, we will fetch the currency symbol. We are making a use of get symbol method for the same and passing the currency code as a parameter, and we will store it as and we will store it in currency symbol and currency name. Okay, then we are displaying the output by using the print method. Okay, and now we will move forward and create an instance for currency rates. So you can see that we are doing it by writing test2 currency rates, and then once we are done, we are making the use of get rate method. And in this we are fetching one United States dollar equal to one Indian rupees. So now now you can see that we are done with the code. uh, we are done with the code, and let me explain. And in the last, what we are doing, we are fetching the bitcoin's latest price details also by using the BTC converter, you can see here. And after fetching the latest price, we are using the get latest price method for the same. Now I can explain you the results. You can see here, since we are this is the output. You can see that we are getting the currency name is Indian rupee, symbol is rupee. The symbol of Indian rupee is this, you know that. Then we were printing the United States dollar after converting it. This is the rate of from this is the rate, okay, for the one Indian rupee to United States dollar. And this is for 10, because you can see here. See this by default it is getting the rate for 1 USD to INR, and this is for 10. And after this, we were getting the latest Bitcoin price, and that is this. Okay, so this is how we are making our own currency converter in Python. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.